upatala last week. So when upatalile ngiyakhumbula last week. Imali ikhuphukile last week. Ayithuphele ngiseyithule next week. Ayithubolekile upatala last week.
Alright. Yayinhle into yengane angifuna ukungatsho. Yayinhle abantwana babe bahle bazophasa kahle and that's it. Alright. Too much talking is done. We are going to dance and then the next time you hear my voice is when we leave there. So I am going to give you 40 minutes of dancing. It's enough, man. 40. 30.
Hour.
40. Alright, my selector, Kopelo Odalepina, Mowe. And then Gerald, Jerry, Kinako Yaucha, Ivane Boiza. What? Kopela Rejavin, Babu. And then, okay, before I forget, nobody is allowed to go out again. All of us are inside because the rest rooms are in the building, right? On Monday, 7:30, everybody is at school. Now on Monday, remember schools are closed. There's nothing much to do there. If you go school long, you are not around. So make sure I repeat alone, all right? Monday, everybody's at school, 7:30. And then guys, how about Cheleta Kempe go demo? Because these people can afford. Okay, it's fine. So Kobela Cheleta ya camp as well again. Please, alright. How's Pateli Kudoyat? Alright, my selector, please. Sikali, Sister Petit, go. Young Kama happiness. I love that one. Hey, nah.